welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do an unboxing of even EVD player, which is kind of a retro gaming type. Today's special edition is about the retro gaming. Let's talk about the other features later. So let's take a look at the player. Here we got the box. It is the EVD player, which comes with an support for MP4, EVD, SVCD. Let's talk about it while we unboxing. Here we got the EVD player. Let's keep it aside. Here is a box. I think it got the equipment for it. Here we got the user manual. It's like to how to operate it. Here we got the charge. Here we got the charger, so we can plug it in the car and while we can use it while traveling. Here we got a remote for controlling the EVD player. It's pretty small and very handy. It's very comfortable. Here we got the charger. I think it's a 12-volt DC charger. Here it is for gaming. Here we have the console, which is USB Type A port console. Here we got an AV out to AV in connector for connecting the TVs, PCs, etc. And at last but not least, it is an antenna. I think it is used for FM radio, which we got in the EVD player. So let's take a look at the EVD player by keeping these things aside. Here we got the EVD player. Take a look at it. It's pretty lightweight. Let's take at the I/O side I/O. Here we got the power connector pin. Here we got the on and off switch and AV in, AV out, and SD card slot and USB port of Type A. And at the back we got the USB port for the gaming console and an antenna port. Let's take a look at the insert. Here we got the compact disc slot. Here you can open it with this switch, and you can see here it has a disc already pre-inserted in it. It's a gaming disc. It's a disc which contains the games. It contains all the retro games that we used to play in our childhood. And here we got some common buttons like volume up, volume down, enter, and setup, USB mode, FM mode. Pretty much that's it. So let's turn on the device and check it out. Here we turning on it. While turning on it, I noticed it is a rotatable screen. It's got a 360 degrees rotate function. pretty good while watching. We can use it like you can use it as a tab. It's pretty much good for watching a movie in it. We can use a USB port for watching movies in it. Let's start playing again. Here we got the controller. Here I turned on the screen. Let's start with the Bomberman, which is my favorite in my childhood. Let's press 6. While it is rotatable, it's pretty handy. So let me show you. Oh, we got some sound bars here, which is kinda noisy, but okay. Let's turn the screen around. As you can see here, this is how it looks like. When in my childhood I used to play it a lot. Let's connect. Let's start the game. Let's test it out how it's working. Here I got the board. Let's start playing. You can see it here, how it's look like when I play the game. This is how the games look like. It was my favorite play. In this EVD player, we can use other discs to play it, where it is pretty rare to use a compact disc nowadays. So we can go through the USB port here for playing videos, audios, and we can also play some retro games while we download it in the USB player, which are compatible with it. So I don't know which games will be compatible with it. We have to go online and search for it. But I think for retro gamers, it is a good device. Let's start looking at the antenna. I'm pretty excited to know how this will work. Here I connected the antenna, and let's turn into the USB mode. Here you can see the mode. I will be going back. I'm exiting it. Let's take the compact disc out. Here we got connected the antenna for FM radio. Let's select the mode. Yeah, here we got it. Here we got DVD mode, So next time I will make sure you can see that one. Let's go to here. We got the USB modem in the mod. Here you can channel plus double button, double click it. Here we got the setup. Here we got DVD USB mode. As you can see, it's showing error symbol because there is no DVD in it, so it can't show it. And let's take a look at the menu. I think the radio mode is not working in it. Let's figure out while try to take a look at it. Just clear me up. Give me a minute. I will let's clear it. Let's take a look at the options we got here. Yeah, we got the display options, audio options, video quality, general setup rate. Here you can see here TV display type. Here we got different display position like 4:3 PS, 4:3 LG, 16:9 and wide speeds. But let's keep it at default. We can go back using the remote button. I like to click this button. It's got some nice sound in it by clicking the button. I think it got a problem here of using the radio. So anyway, today's main goal is to look at the retro gaming. So let's take a look at the other games. Let's try 1943 game. It is also a pretty much good game in retro gaming. Let's start with 2. As you can see, while I press it, the game started. Let's start playing it. Hereby it is called a retro game. Here you got a nice look of the game. It was also one of my most favorite games in retro gaming. Sounds because the speaker is too loud here. It's got a pretty much nice speakers, but they are little bit noisy. Here we got all that introduction. It takes little time for the game to start. It's pretty much on the animation. We can use, instead of using the retro game, you can use mini compact disc USB player to watch movies while traveling, or we can play games while traveling. It is 180 degrees. It also got 180 degrees foldable screen, so you can use it however you like. Let's unplug all the connections here. It's making it to here. like I said, you can use the antenna pin here, and we also got the AV pin here. So we can use this pin to connect in the AV in, and we can use this 3 cables to connect to the TV. You can use it as a DVD player and CD player or USB player, USB drive to play it in an old TVs. Pretty much all old TVs got USB player, so still don't need. But we want to watch movies on this old CDs. We can use this. Also, we can connect the set-top box to this DVD player, and we can watch movies in it, live TVs, etc. much more. So that's for today's unboxing. If you want to watch more about it, please make sure to like, subscribe my channel, and wait for the next video. Until then, bye.